Hi, I'm John Norman. For more than 36 years, I've been fighting fires in big cities, suburbs, and rural areas. I want to thank those who have come before me, and I hope to honor their dedicated service by passing on to you the tools to succeed as a fire officer. Let's suppose the building is larger and contains 8 or 10 victims who may or may not be located together. Here, the first company must get a hose line operating between the fire and the victims. If they cannot put the fire out, at least they can create a path to reach the victims. This still places life-saving as the highest priority. I like to remember the old saying, more lives are saved by properly positioned hose lines than by any other means. This leads us to my next concept, setting priorities. Generally, those victims that are closest to the fire are in the greatest danger and should be removed first. The next highest priority should go to those who are directly above the fire. After that, the priority may skip to the top floor, since this is where smoke and heat accumulate fastest. One example of this is seen when we got a call about an apartment fire on the 22nd floor. 2 minutes later, we got a second call from that same building reporting heavy smoke on the 48th floor. That's a 26th floor difference in 2 minutes. With the next scenario, let's assume that the arriving company actually has sufficient personnel to rescue potential victims and attack the fire. The best way to reduce a life hazard is an aggressive, coordinated fire attack. That may include removing the victims, venting to draw the fire away from the trapped occupants, or confining the fire while the rescue is performed. A coordinated attack using the best of all these methods will provide the highest level of safety to the victims. In apartment buildings, we usually start by stretching a hose line to the interior apartment door where the fire is located. At the same time, a team moves directly to the roof, venting right above the stairway. This should prevent mushrooming at the top of the staircase. Only after making sure that all occupants are off the stairway should you open the apartment door to the fire and begin the attack. Remember that occupants who are visible at a window may or may not be in the most danger. There may be more victims inside that have been overcome by smoke and are not able to reach a window. Also, be aware of any emotionally agitated victims that are threatening to jump. They may need to be removed immediately, even if they are not in any apparent danger.